Hello, welcome back to my channel. I am MrsPTarleton. If you're new here, welcome. Please consider subscribing. I've had many questions on how can we get our students to add new slides to their already created digital interactive notebook. So they already have their own copy. How can we add master slides? So we come up with new slides that we want them to add and have available. I've got it. Let's dive in. So I am a student in this demonstration class. So let's enter this class. And my teacher previously assigned this digital interactive notebook. So here I have it. And if you look over here, these are all the master slides that my teacher had created. However, today I noticed now she has a new assignment for me. It says, please import this theme to your digital interactive notebook. So I'm going to open it up. This is my copy. I know that because it has my name at the beginning. Now this has a theme also. These are in the master slides. Take a look here. I'm going to change the name and tell myself to add to my digital interactive notebook. And I want to move it to a folder where I'll be able to find it. I'm going to create a folder for my digital interactive notebook so I can save everything in the same spot. And I want to move this slide there. So my teacher is asking me to add more master slides to my digital interactive notebook. So I go up here to Theme, Import Theme. And I'm going to look for the presentation that she has sent me. So this is the one I changed the name, Add To. Click on that, select, import themes. And now if you go over here and look at your template, it will have the two new master slides that your teachers asked you to import. That's all there is to it. And now your students can actually add these to their notebook. Wherever they want to go, they just add it. And they can click here and follow the directions. They can answer each of these questions. That's it. So I hope you found this helpful and this saves you a lot of time. Remember, step out, be uniquely wonderful you, and don't forget, join my Facebook group, Creative Teacher Community. Have a great day.